can a husband sue his wife for whatever grievances he has against her? I've talked in a previous video about how the one thing he cannot do is sue his wife immediately for filing a false case against him until the false case has been wrapped up in the form of an acquittal or the form of dismissal of her petition, whatnot. Very recently, a question was posed in a civil suit filed by a husband against his wife and the other family members. The judge said, when the matters which have been filed by the wife against the husband, they are pending, can he sue the wife? I said to the learned court that there are judgments which say it is one thing to go and avail of your legal remedies in the form of filing your complaints before the police, filing your various petitions before the court, such as your maintenance petition under section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, your complaint under the Domestic Violence Act before the magistrate court, and perhaps even a divorce case if you want to before the family court. However, after filing these cases, if you go and malign the reputation of the husband or any other person for that matter, I in fact recalled a particular judgment in which a complaint was filed by someone and an FIR was registered. The complainant then went around the entire village area distributing pamphlets saying that I have now filed and an FIR has been registered and this person is actually guilty of doing this XYZ thing. It was not a matrimonial dispute but something else. And in that case, when relief was sought against this defamation by the accused person in that FIR, the complainant, the plaintiff in this situation, the courts of law were inclined to grant relief to that person, saying that it's one thing to go to the police, to go to the courts to seek your relief. It's a completely different thing when you go either online and malign the reputation of this person in a very separate way, and also when you go and perhaps distribute pamphlets. The reasoning was accepted by the court, and of course there are judgments. If the court would not have agreed, I would have supplied the judgments as well. This is something that everyone needs to understand. If a false case, irrespective of matrimonial or commercial or any sort of dispute, if there is a case which has been filed against you, that's one aspect. But there are on a lot of occasions grievances that you have against the complainant who has filed that false accusation against you. In the situation where you have a grievance, in all probability you also have an efficacious remedy available to you as well. So if you're fighting your false cases, why not go and try to avail of your legal remedies and get the wrongs committed against you rectified, or at least have justice, have equity done in your case.